Body, here I'll show you how you can make money through sports. A lot of guys are making money through sports on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. You too can make money like them. There is one thing about football, especially as the World Cup is going on. You'll find out that most people uploading video, they are not FIFA, they are not organizers, but they are making money through shot. So I'll show you how I can also make that. So that is the essence of this video. And if you look at football shots, you can see, look at the view here. This 3M view, 45M, this is 29M. You can see the football view is in millions. And you too can get this. And the time is now. Don't wait for tomorrow. So this video, I'll show you how you can download this kind of video for free, and then how you can edit it, and also how you can upload it to your channel without facing copyright. So make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to show you the secret which I use to post mine. The website is called footballian.eu. Today I'll walk you through how you can download the football clip from this particular website. So you can search for any player you want to download. Let's search for Messi, and you can see many results that comes out with Messi. So what you're going to see here is the matches Messi has played, both World Cup and so on. And if you look again, you see the goals, how many goals he has scored, or how many goals all the people outside Messi have scored. Must not be one particular Messi. Please make sure you subscribe that channel, like and hit notification bell, because this kind of tutorial will keep on coming. So you click here. So if you want to check for other matches, click on home. Then click on competition. So these national teams. Then you'll see, if you want to see World Cup, you click see his national team. Click on national team, see World Cup here. We open it. And this is the World Cup that ever played, starting from 1954 till date, till the one going on. So we'll click here to get the most recent one. Or the other one says next. So we'll click here. We'll scroll down again. See whether there's another one open. But if you look at the time here, you can see this December 2022. I think this is the last World Cup before this one. And this is the June 11, 2026. So December 10, 2022. December 2022 is the most recent, the last one. Or you can even download that of this year, but want to download anyone that have been played last World Cup. So this is the present one that is ongoing. Mexico vs South Africa, they just played finish. The group stage 1. Match day 1. So here, remember, you want to download where Messi has played, and that is Argentina vs France. So if you want to download it, right click here, then go down to inspect. Please pay attention here, otherwise you will not get it. Then when you go to inspect, then from here you select network. Pay attention. Once you miss it here, you cannot download it. Select network, and you are selected. Then you click on, then open another page. You open another page. Then you paste that link you just copied. If you don't understand, watch the video again. You paste it and wait for the match to start playing before you click here. So the match has started playing, you click here. It's a 1 hour plus match. You click here, and this the download link. So if you click it now, you'll start downloading. And that's how you can download from Footballian. Then after downloading, you have to edit it. So you can also find some highlights or some goals, maybe scored by Ronaldo or Messi or any other player, just goals. So this website is a home of footballs. You can see goals scored by CR7. Is it here? Or any name, any other person called Ronaldo. Just as we did first, last time, you keep on clicking next. So it would bring you to the most recent match. So you can take any of this, anyone you like, or you can scroll. Remember what we did last time? You can still do the same thing so that you can download this match. You can expand it here and see the match fully. So let's try and download it the way we downloaded the last one. We'll right click anywhere here. Click on inspect. This time around, the network is here. So we'll click here. We'll click here. Then select network. The same thing, select media. Choose any of this. You're going to download that particular game. The request resource will copy this link here. Open another page and paste the link, and this is it. Then we'll click on these three dots and click on download. It's going to download the match. And this is the match. Go to TikTok and download anyone you like football skills, and so on. You will search for any football skill you like from TikTok. Then copy the link. Then come to this website called Snaptic. Then paste the link. Then click on download. That's how you can download the football. Any football at all. I'll click on download here. I close that. It's going to download automatically. You can also download from YouTube, but any match you're downloading from YouTube, you have to be careful to avoid the copyright. And I won't lie, you see clips. It's been watched thousands of times. You can see it here. This is 9.4M, 7.3M. I think this is 20M, and so on. Imagine when your clip is being watched up to these views. So let's hear how you can edit this type of match, the one we just downloaded. So here is the secret. So the secret comes here. The first thing you do, I'm using CapCut. You can use any other video editor. The first thing you do is this. I'm going to zoom this clip. Then after the zooming, I will adjust the video a little bit. Please pay particular attention to this. This will remove copyright from your football clip. I'll adjust the video color a little bit. Or just adjust as I like. Then I'll drop the same video on top of the one I've zoomed. Then reduce the size this time around instead of zooming. Then I'll export this video. Then after exporting the video, I'll go back to the folder where the video is. Then bring the video back to CapCut again. Then I'll delete the first one. Make sure you follow the process. Then drop this new video now on timeline and start working on it. Most of the time, I'll either extract the audio and delete it, or I'll mute the video. I'll add my own audio. Now I'll zoom the video back, the new video, to match the frame. Then the next thing I'll start editing. Editing takes time. Please, if you have any other idea, I can drop it. But this is working for me. I have some videos that getting a lot of views on YouTube. I've never had a copyright issue on it. But it takes time before you can edit it. You can edit one video for up to 10 times or so, or more than that. Make sure you put enough effort, and YouTube will not strike you. Enjoy the editing, and please make sure you subscribe that channel. That is the only way you can help us. If you have any other issue you can ask about, use the comment section and we'll help you the way we can. If you want to know how to make money doing this kind of a thing, check the link below about my course. I have many courses that can help you make money online. Any course you can think about, you'll see the link on my description.